Hi, I'm Adam with Imprintables. A heat press can either make or break your business. That's why we recommend the heat presses from Stahl's Hotronix. Hotronix heat presses have four main areas of innovation. In no particular order, they're accuracy, ingenuity, simplicity, and quality. Looking at accuracy first, the over-the-center pressure adjustment available in all the Hotronix heat presses is going to make sure that you're not going to have any pressure issues on the left, right, back, or front of your heating element. That's going to make sure that you're not going to have a transfer that might stick well in one spot, but maybe not in the other. Along the same lines, the cast and tubular heating element is also going to make sure you don't have any cold spots. A cold spot can cause a very similar issue. If you started your business with one of those lesser expensive heat presses, odds are you've seen cold spots on your press, which is going to in turn cause issues with your transfer. Finally, we look at the digital display. A digital display is going to give you digital and accurate time, temperature, and in some cases pressure as well. Next up is ingenuity. The touchscreen technology that we have available in some of our heat presses gives you the ability to quickly and easily change between time, temperature, and pressure settings. Our touchscreen machines also have presets that you can program in. The auto-adjust pressure that's available on our Air models gives you the ability to change between a t-shirt, a hoodie, and other thicker items without having to crank the knob to adjust your pressure. Threadability is the ability to take a garment and slide it completely over the bottom platen. That gives you the ability to customize both the front and back of a shirt without having to completely unload or use heat printing pillows, print perfect pads, or any other accessory. Finally, we look at the Nonstick platen, which is the upper platen. Nonstick means that you don't have to worry about your transfer or something else sticking to the upper platen and completely ruining your heat press. Next, we look at simplicity. With our auto-open machines, you can be sure that you're not going to overcook or overbake one of your transfers. The auto-open will automatically pop up at the end of the time cycle. We have the same feature on our air-operated machines. Our air-operated machines also have the ability to automatically swing out of the way. With the dual air fusion, you can automatically move from one station to the next. That's going to eliminate a lot of operator fatigue. Next, we look at the multiple time settings. That's a feature that's available on most of our heat presses. Multiple time settings gives you the ability to set maybe a preheat and an actual application, or if your heat application calls for two separate settings, then it has the ability to have two different time settings on the control unit. Finally, we'll look at the quick change platens. That's one of my favorite features. That gives you the ability to put in smaller platens or specialty platens to customize a wider variety of transfers, whether it be for garment bags or shoes or hat bills or whatever it might be. Finally, we're looking at the quality of the machines. Hotronix heat presses are the top quality heat press on the market. We start off by looking at the powder coat finish. A powder coat finish means that your heat press is going to last years and years. Next, we look at the electrical certifications. Hotronix heat presses have all the electrical certifications that you need, including UL, ULC, and a CE certification. Unmatched support on the Hotronix heat press. Hotronix offers blue ribbon support, which is 24-hour a day, 365-day-a-year support. If you're interested in upgrading your heat press, I encourage you to consider the Stahl's Hotronix machines. Frankly, you deserve it, and so do your customers. Keep in mind that if your heat press fails in anything that we talked about today, that means that your customers' goods might not last as long as you want them to last. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below to request information, or call us at 1-800-347-0068. We'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.